Hello guys, today we will learn about varictor or varicap diodes. Let us know that what is varicap diodes. Varictor diodes are one type of PN junction diode whose internal capacitance can be changed by applying the reverse bias voltage. So these diodes are also known as varicap diodes, and the term varicap means the variable capacitance. Varicap here refers to variable capacitor and full form of varictor is variable reactance. Now the symbol of varicap diode is like this. This represents the normal diode and this represents the capacitance. Now let us know about the parallel plate capacitor. As we know that the formula for parallel plate capacitor is like that: capacitance C equal to epsilon naught A upon D, where A is the overlapping area of the plates and D is the distance between the two plates. Now let us consider the diagram of a varicap diodes. See here. In PN junction diode, a depletion layer gets formed at the junction where this P-type and N-type materials meet with each other. Here, this is P-type material and N-type material. Due to unbiased P-type and N-type material, they have formed a depletion layer. Okay, here depletion layer means it is depleted by the charge carrier. Now see, this is P-type and this is N-type. Here electrons, here holes are stored, means this is positively charged and this is positively charged and this is negatively charged, and there is a distance d due to depletion layer between this. In a such case, it forms like parallel plate capacitor. So it is a one type of the parallel plate capacitor. So this p-type material contains excessive amount of holes while the n-type materials contains the electron. Depletion region depleted with the charge carrier. So in a way, this PN junction diode behaves like a capacitor. That means here this p-type n-type region acts like the conducting plates while the depleting layer acts like dielectric medium. And as we know, the applied reverse bias voltage changes the width of the depletion layer. See, if we increase that distance d, it means this. If you increase that depletion layer between p-type and n-type, the capacitance C will decrease. Okay, and for increasing that d, we have to increase that reverse bias voltage as happens in the normal diodes. Okay, if we increase that voltage, the distance, the depletion layer will increase, and due to the increase of depletion layer, the capacitance will decrease. Hence we changed the capacitance of the diode. Now let us see the equation of varicap diode. The capacitance C equal to C naught upon 1 plus V upon Vf whole power n, where C naught is the capacitance of the varicap when unbiased and V is the reverse bias voltage and F is the forward bias voltage.